Next on Full Circle Florida, the Trump administration's new detain-only policy for undocumented immigrants. Could it backfire? Welcome back. This week, it came out that the Trump administration slammed the door on catch and release, mandating detention without bond hearings for undocumented immigrants. The central question, do illegal immigrants have rights? I spoke with immigration attorney Susham M.
Air conditions.
These detainees are living
go back
in
voluntarily.
cages.
We're getting all this conflicted information about who's in Alligator Alcatraz, that they don't have access to their attorneys. We report surfaced this week that a mother and a child, a 6-year-old with cancer, was rounded up by ICE, that they were trying to go about it the legal way to get legal. They were filing for asylum. They were trying to go through the court process. Is there any right way for an immigrant to try to obtain some sort of legal standing in this country, or is ICE just willy-nilly going around and rounding up people who, quite frankly, don't look like they're from this country or have brown skin, and they're just throwing everyone out, and there's really no systematic organization to this? They're just trying to meet a quota.
Well, first, to take on the latter point that you mentioned, and this is just objective, records request evidence, about around 75% of the people that ICE is picking up have no criminal history whatsoever. And so it is seeming to be a numbers game. And that, again, that's where you start to see these protests, the No King's Day and stuff, because people are getting frustrated that their neighbors are getting picked up that have been here a long time at Home Depot or even at immigration court where they're trying to do the process legally, churches, and then even schools. I mean, you see little children getting picked up. And that's the backlash, is that they're not necessarily prioritizing the criminals. They're just trying to meet quotas, like you mentioned. I think there's been news that's come out where they're trying to reach at least 3,000 ICE arrests a day. But there is a process. Like, I don't want to, let people lose hope. There is ability. Judges are still giving bonds out, even on the immigration judge level. There are legal arguments, depending on their case, that it may not apply to them.
Well, I tell you, it's far from the idea that the Republican Congress themselves proposed last year that Donald Trump squashed. This is not what they were putting on the table on Capitol Hill that the Republicans themselves supported when it comes to immigration reform. Susham M, thank you as always for your insight. Really appreciate it.